Here I have OPPO Reno 6 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to reset all of the system settings on this device to the defaults. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the additional settings, backup and reset, erase all data factory reset, and select reset system settings only. And then tap reset settings only, and then confirm it one more time. And after a few seconds, all of the system settings will be restored to defaults. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.